Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp pesto pasta. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of your favorite pasta, like linguine or spaghetti. Also, get 1 pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined. Make sure you have about 1 cup of your favorite pesto sauce, either homemade or store-bought. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a couple of cloves of minced garlic for extra flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook your pasta according to the package instructions until it's al dente. While the pasta is cooking, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and then the shrimp, cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Drain the pasta, but remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. It's time to bring everything together. Add the drained pasta directly into the skillet with the cooked shrimp. Pour in your 1 cup of delicious pesto sauce. Gently toss all the ingredients together until the pasta and shrimp are beautifully coated with the vibrant green pesto. If the sauce seems a little too thick, you can add a tablespoon or 2 of that reserved pasta water to achieve your desired creamy consistency. This helps the sauce cling perfectly. Finally, it's time to serve your amazing shrimp pesto pasta. Transfer the pasta to individual plates. For a lovely finish, garnish with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a few fresh basil leaves. You can also add some halved cherry tomatoes for a pop of color and freshness. Serve this delightful dish immediately while it's warm. It's a fantastic, easy meal that's ready in under 30 minutes, perfect for any night of the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.